step-by-step guide for beginners to invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency made a huge splash in 2009 when it was introduced. Many thought it was a fad, but soon it had all the attention of investors and businessmen. Well, investing in a cryptocurrency does have lots of merits, but it has its fair share of risks as well, and it can be quite overwhelming, especially for beginners. But do not worry, we have brought to you a very easy and detailed guide that will help you to get the basics of investing in cryptocurrency. But before we get into the video, it has to be mentioned that investing in cryptocurrency is quite more a complicated task than shown in this video. Therefore, do consult a professional before you invest in cryptocurrency. Now that the statutory warning is out of the way, let us get into this video. How to invest in cryptocurrency? Now, you cannot go to a bank or a brokerage firm to buy cryptocurrency. There is much complex process behind it. Since the process is still not well understood and is technically virtually unregulated, most financial institutions do not deal with it, and cryptocurrency also tends to function within its network. Here is a step-by-step guide that will help you to grasp the concept of investing. Number 1. Allocate only a small percentage of your portfolio to cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency portfolio is software that manages your online currency investments. You must decide in advance on how much of your portfolio you want to allocate to cryptocurrency. With the price of Bitcoin increasing in 2021, many people tend to invest in a hefty sum in cryptocurrency. But it is necessary to remember the following points. How much you invest in cryptocurrency is entirely upon you, but we would like to advise that you should be wary of investing more than 10% of your portfolio in cryptocurrency, even 5% for that matter. Unlike investing in gold and silver, you do not get interests and dividends in cryptocurrency. Your investment will only be considered good if the cryptocurrency price increases and stays there for a while. Number 2. Choose your cryptocurrency. Well, this is one of the most severe complications of cryptocurrency. There are hundreds of cryptocurrencies online, but choosing the most reliable one is a must. Right now, the largest and the most dominant cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, and some distant seconds are Ethereum, Zcash, and Dash. Since Bitcoin is in the dominant position, it seems that it is a reliable cryptocurrency to invest in, and it is practically considered synonymous with cryptocurrency. It is also carefully followed by the media. But the fact that other cryptocurrencies are doing much better is often overlooked. Therefore, when investing in cryptocurrency, the majority of your investment should be in Bitcoin, which is dominant as of now. But you can also invest smaller parts of the portfolio in other cryptocurrencies. But as we have shared before, the percentage should be extremely low. Number 3. Choose a platform to buy cryptocurrencies. Buying, holding, and selling cryptocurrencies are dedicated to cryptocurrency exchanges. Examples of some of the largest and most popular crypto exchanges are SoFi, Unify Money, and Coinbase. Number 4. Store your cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is stored in a cryptocurrency wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is a software program that stores the private and public keys that connect you to the blockchain where your cryptocurrencies exist. The public key is the cryptocurrency address that the other party in the transaction sees, and the private key is the one that only you can see. Both of the keys are essential to complete a transaction. These are known as keys because it helps in unlocking your cryptocurrency in the blockchain. A cryptocurrency wallet not only allows you to access, send or receive cryptocurrency, but also provides you with information about your transactions and your current balance. The different types of digital wallets are: Number 1. Desktop wallet. Installed in your personal computer, the information is much safer than online wallets. Number 2. Online wallet. They are on the cloud and can be accessed from any other computer. These are convenient to use, but since the private key is stored online, it makes them less secure, or hot wallet. Number 3. Mobile wallet. This type of wallet is an app on your smart device. Number 4. Hardware wallet. This is a much safer form of storing cryptocurrency because it is not stored online. This wallet is stored on a hardware device like a USB device. This wallet leads your cryptocurrencies to be accessed from different devices, or cold wallet. Now there you go. Everything you need to know about investing in cryptocurrencies. The complexity is much more vast than depicted in this video. We tried our best to explain as simply as possible. Cryptocurrencies are subject to risks and therefore know everything before you invest. Also, we love hearing from you. So do let us know your experience in the comment section down below. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.